Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media, and today we are going to give you a demo of Samsung HomeSync. Here we have the device with us. So this device has three main features. The first one is called the Home Cloud, second one is called the Media Center, and the third one is called Screen Mirroring. So first of all, we'll give you a close look over the device. Here we have the Samsung HomeSync, and it has a connectivity over here for the charger. You can actually connect a micro USB, a phone with a micro USB cable over here. You have the HDMI out from this device to your TV. Then you have two USB 3.0 with which you can actually connect USB 2.0 pen drive as well as the USB 3.0 pen drive as well on this device. And then you have the audio out from here. You have the LAN connection so that you can connect it to your router directly via LAN. Although this also does support Wi-Fi connectivity as well, so you can connect this thing to your Wi-Fi. As far as the storage is concerned, this little box has 1 TB of storage, which will store your data, and you will be able to access the data from your Samsung Galaxy phones and any other phone which has Wi-Fi direct. So here we have the interface. This is how the interface looks like of the HomeSync, and we are just going to give you a demo of the Media Center first of all. But before you can actually use the Samsung HomeSync with your phone, you have to install this application called HomeSync, which will come from Samsung App Store. And this is how the interface of the application look like. You have the touchpad over here with which you can actually control the mouse. As you can see, this is how you can control the mouse on the screen. And you have all these regular applications like Media Hub, Video Player, YouTube Player, so that you can watch videos. You can see the photos which are there on that device, as well as you can see the photos on this device as well, and other Samsung Galaxy phones which are connected to that. And it does support connecting 8 Wi-Fi devices, so you can actually connect 8 Samsung devices with it, as well as other devices as well. And if we want to have a remote mouse, we can actually use the motion to have the remote mouse on the device, and you can click anytime on any of the applications like this. And one thing which I would just want to show you is that you have the regular home buttons with which you can come back. So if you want to come back, you can use it very easily. The overall interface is quite easy to use, and I just show you the gallery. What amazing about this device is that you can actually use pinch to zoom as well. So if I select this image and if I open this thing, if I open this thing over here, you can actually do pinch to zoom as well, as you can see with this phone, which is connected to the Samsung HomeSync, which is quite amazing. So the overall features which you get on this particular HomeSync is quite good. In order to track the location of the mouse in case it is invisible, you can tap over here and it will show you the location of the cursor on the screen. And here you have the access to the All Share Play. Now we will show you how you can actually stream the data from other devices as well as from this device to the Samsung HomeSync. Now the second feature of the Samsung HomeSync is that the All Share Cast, with which you can actually connect your phone to your TV, and you have the option of doing display mirroring, and it is actually working via Wi-Fi direct feature. So you have to first of all tap on this application, and then you will scan the HomeSync, and once you tap over here, it will start scanning, and it will locate the HomeSync, and it is now, as you can see, trying to connect to the HomeSync to that TV, which is actually connected to that TV. And once it is connected, it will give us the option of, okay, so it is connected, as you can see, and once it is connected, you will see the mirroring of the display from here to there. And what you can do is you can then launch games like Angry Bird or any other, and then you can play them. Let me just give you a demo. So here we have the Angry Bird game, and this is how you can play a game from this device, from your Samsung phone to your TV, which is connected via HomeSync. That's it.